Hey, what's up, everyone? It is TechWares. Today is January 19th, 2025. So, custom GeForce RTX 5080 and 5090 pricing has emerged, and it is made for gamers with deep pockets. Now, this is actually insane. When I first read this and saw this, so the GeForce RTX 5080 and 5090, based on the Blackwell architecture from Nvidia. Let's take a look at the prices. Now, this is Canada, all right, and this includes the tax, the 5% GST, which is a tax fee. Now, check this out, guys. 5080, 16 gigs, all right, GDDR7 memory, $1,950 Canadian. That is insanity. That is actually crazy. This is the 5080, by the way. 5080. Now, of course, you have different models. So that is the Supreme, the liquid. Then you have this, just the Supreme regular, non-liquid SoC. $1,880. $100 difference. It is still insane. Then you have the Vanguard and you have the gaming. These are the MSI ones, models, by the way. So you have the Supreme Vanguard Gaming Trio and the Ventus 3XOC. It's just ridiculous prices. Now this is the Norway Complete with the 25% VAT tax fee. Insanity, man. 17,050 Norwegian currency. You have Slovakia. You have Spain. These, look at in euros, it's crazy. 2,650 euros. That is, man, I don't know how people are gonna even buy these. I mean, there are, of course, people gonna buy these, but why would you want to buy something this expensive? It is a video card. It is for gaming. Once again, if you're going to be using it for work or for school, then I understand. Kind of, I mean, I guess. But if it's just for gaming, gaming is a hobby, you know. It's just it's not a need. It's a want. But yeah, this is just crazy. This used to be the price of a high-end system. Like if you back in the day, well, I'm not gonna say back. I'm not gonna be one of those guys that says back in the day, but back in the day, really, like genuinely, if you had $2,000, you can put together an insanely powerful system. I'm talking about the highest end, the highest tiered components, from the motherboard to the processor to the graphics card. But you can have multiple fans in the case, powerful, high wattage power supply for $2,000. You can put together a monster system. Now, $1,900.50 is only for, sorry, $1,900.50. 50. It is just for a video card, and not even the top end video card. The 5080, just below it, and it's only 16 gigs. That's actually crazy. I don't know what's happening in the PC component world. Mainly the graphics cards, but this is just crazy, man. It is insane. And you know what? You can't really blame Nvidia. I mean, you can, but only just for so much. You can't blame AMD. You can't blame these companies for putting these ridiculous prices on their components. You know why? Because there are people buying them. There are people buying them. I'm pretty sure the 5080 is probably going to sell out when it, when it comes around launch time, people are buying them. People will bend over for Nvidia. We're gonna see what AMD does with this new generation of RDNA 4 GPUs. I think they're calling it the 9070 series or 90 series or 9000 series, whatever. But hopefully AMD has learned from their mistakes from the past. You have to price your video card, your components fairly. You have to price them fairly. Stop with this $1,000 stuff. It's crazy. A high-end GPU back in the day. Do you guys want to know how much a high-end GPU would cost? I'm talking about the flagship, top-tier GPU. It was $400. Back in the day, $400 would get you the top-end GPU. $400. Now it's $400 for the low-end GPU. So yeah, man. I don't like where we're at, and I hope it changes because it's just ridiculous. Thank you guys for listening. Thank you guys for watching. Take care, everyone. Peace. Let me know what you guys think in the comments.